backyard.
It's the backyard.
Holy cow. Backyard.
Pool. The lake is way back down this way.
This place is huge.
The garden is over there.
Look at the size of that fireplace.
It's a nice fireplace.
Oh, well, the tank's not going outside, right?
The tank is not going outside. So I want to show you guys where I want to put the tank.
Check it out.
Oh, yeah, let's come on in here where the AC is.
Nice AC.
This is actually where I wanted to put the tank,
Okay.
for the snake. So here's some of the snakes that I have over here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you got them all named, too. I'll stay over here.
Yeah.
Dude, you got an anaconda.
Don't be afraid.
So let me get this straight. 3 $100 million contracts, a 40,000 square foot home, and that's what you're holding your snakes out of? Something out of Office Depot?
That's a good one.
So what happened with the old tanks?
The old tank is in Houston.
Okay.
I left Houston, came to Atlanta, but I wasn't able to transfer that beautiful tank, which I wish I could have.
Gotcha.
But it's in good hands, so don't worry.
So it's being taken care of?
It's being taken care
Okay.
of. So until I see you guys, this is what I'm dealing with. Snakes are getting mad, they're talking to me. One came to the room the other night, it was like, Dwight, I can't stay here no more.
Yeah, that's not good. So this is it this time? Just like 6 or 7 snakes?
No. These are the small ones.
Small
The
ones.
snake nanny, she has all the big snakes.
The snake nanny.
Yes, the snake nanny. She's good.
Whoa, look at that guy. You gotta do that right now. Do that. Look at it. I got this.
This is a Texas indigo snake. People think that this is a cobra because of the face. Really small. Like this snake knows my touch. It knows my scent. Like it actually knows that this.
It knows who you are. Yeah, he knows you're the boss.
Crazy. But
Fast
as far as snakes, it's super fast. It's always looking to see what's going on. But it's a really good snake.
All right, great. Just keep him over there.
You don't want to hold it?
No. I enjoy making snake cages and stuff for you, but I don't enjoy that. You keep it up, I'm gonna make a call to NBA and have you trade.